It's no newsflash that we can't control the weather. But if you're a homeowner, you can take practical steps to reduce insurance costs and prevent wind damage to your home if you live in an area that is prone to tropical events or flooding. The recent trend of major hurricanes hitting the Gulf Coast, including 10 significant storms since 2017, has also heightened concerns among insurance companies. This increased risk could lead to higher insurance premiums for homeowners along the Gulf Coast, including those in Florida. Early estimates from the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation show 60 to 80% of insurance claims related to the most recent hurricanes have gone unpaid, and nearly 40,000 of the roughly 360,000 claims received have already been denied.
Disasters have increased, billion-dollar disasters, inflation, and other challenges. Getting insurance and getting insurance that you can afford is tricky. So what we've been focusing on is partnering with the insurance commissioners through their national association. We published a guide this year, a playbook, and what we're looking to do is help people make their home a more attractive risk by making it stronger and sturdier, by helping them understand their building codes and how critical it is to, close any loopholes left. If you have an older building code home, your insurance annual premium can be offset by the discounts you get for having things like shutters or a stronger roof or a sealed roof deck.
If it rains at your home, it can flood your home. There is no area of the country immune to flooding. But lack of flood insurance is the largest insurance coverage gap in the United States. Up until a few weeks ago, residents of Western North Carolina likely gave little consideration to purchasing flood insurance. But in September, after Hurricane Helene devastated much of that region, as well as other parts of the Southeast, it resulted in nearly $30 billion in uninsured flood damage.
The thing we want to avoid after a hurricane or any type of disaster is a surprise. And so don't let the lack of flood insurance come as a surprise, because flood damage, because only a couple inches of water can cause $23,000 worth of damage. Flooring, electrical, drywall. So what you want to do is have that flood insurance, and you don't want to find out after the fact that you don't have the money to recover.
And it's also important not to forget Hurricane Debbie's impact on Florida this past August, with damage estimates so far adding up to an estimated $28 billion. Resilient home construction can mitigate hurricane damage, but many homeowners are unprepared for a severe season. Less than 35% of Americans live in areas with modern, updated building codes, and that too is adding to the insurance crisis in these hurricane-prone states.
Just closing the doors on the inside of your home, because you're keeping the area of pressurization potential smaller, can make a big difference. So there's still some last minute things you can do once you think that you are going to be in the strike zone.